Hello guys, welcome back to BCIPS Kaleidoscope. So today, on this special Teachers Day occasion, we thought of celebrating it in a very unique way. So today we are going to talk to our teachers and get to know them better. So let's begin with our Q&A session. So everyone, first we have the person who have led us to the path of success. I would like to welcome Dr. Aparna Mishra ma'am, who is the director of BCIPS. So ma'am, welcome to our channel. Thank you so very much. Ma'am, I would like to ask you how much long have you been associated with the college? Being a founding member in this college, I joined in 2008 as a faculty, and I'm on this chair looking after this college as head of the institution for last 8 years. So, total 17 years I'm with PCIPS. That's really great, ma'am. Ma'am, I would also like to ask a question. Why did you choose teaching as a profession? Okay. Since my childhood, I always been very attracted and fascinated towards seeing and witnessing the creative processes, the transformation in an individual getting skill set, having skill set, and being becoming more like efficient professional. So, being a teacher, I always have this opportunity and privilege to be a part of my students' journey and seeing them transforming from being very curious to become very confident. And of course, that goes with all their potentials and aspirations towards achievements. So, this is actually giving me a deep sense of being a part of my students' success journey. And that's why I choose this profession, and I'm happy to be here. That's really great, ma'am. Thank you so much for being a part of BCIPS family. It's my pleasure. We Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, okay. Myself, Dr. Devin Sharma, Head of Department BBA. I am with this college from 2008 onwards.
Okay, sir, can I ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what does being a teacher truly mean to you?
Teacher, as per me, as per my understanding, teacher means a person who can give guidance to student beyond academics and do a proper mentorship to understand what exactly is to do in the practical life. For their investment, for their knowledge, these things are very, very important. And I hope teacher play a very important role as well as a mentor because academics is one part and beyond academics, knowledge, which play a very important role and make a particular human being a very effective person. As a professional course, you are dealing right now. So you have to be entering the corporate world, so to learn a lot of things, which is good for a student like you in BBA.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Samsher Singh. I'm head of department MBA here in Sila Chandragana Institute. I'm associated with this institute since August 2010. So it's almost 15 years that I have been associated with this. I teach marketing subject, international business subject, strategic management subject, and prior to this, I also had 7 years more teaching experience, and prior to that, I was in the Indian Air Force for 20 years. So altogether, 22 years, 42 years in the profession.
Sir, can I ask you one question?
Yes, please.
What inspired you to choose teaching as a career?
Okay. Since as I told you, I was with the Indian Air Force for 20 years, but my liking for the teaching profession was there. So I used to take classes even in the engineering course in the different training institutions, and then I decided why not to use my liking and patience for teaching as a full time. And one thing which happened positively is that I cleared the UGC NET in the first attempt itself. That further motivated me to come to the teaching, and that's my passion.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay, my name is Professor Dr. Sudhir Vish, and I'm an alumnus of Hindu College. I did my MBA in 1987 from Jodhpur University, and I completed my PhD from Pacific University. So I've been teaching this college for a little over 3 years, and I specialize in teaching strategic management, marketing management, principles of management, and various other subjects. So before that, I was a CEO of a Indo-Israeli company in India. I was the co-founder also, and I exited that company. I'm still on the board of two American companies, in India, and I also have my own consulting firm called Clairvoyant. So I teach here more out of passion than taking it as a kind of an employment. So that's about me.
So can I ask you one question?
Yes, please.
Okay. What does being a teacher truly mean to you?
Okay, so teaching isn't a bloodline. My grandfather was a teacher. In fact, both my grandfathers, maternal and paternal, were teachers. My mom was a teacher, and I was always drawn towards academia. So now I think that with so much of wide corporate experience across so many continents, and with a PhD degree, I think I can combine the best of academia and the corporate world, and I can impart that training and teaching to the students. So I also feel a sense of uh, goodness about it because I am able to impact the lives of so many young students, to be able to mold them, to be able to help them to achieve their dreams. So that is highly satisfying factor in the teaching job. So that is what inspires me and motivates me to teach.
Thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Oh, myself, Dr. Suniti Chandio. I'm in this college from last 17 years. I'm PhD in management, having work experience of 22 years. I enjoy with kids every day because that's make me energetic. Thank you.
Can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
If you could give one piece of advice to all your students, what would it be?
If I will talk about the advice, three things are very important: your sincerity, dedication, and regularity, which makes you or give you a chance to reach a higher position.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Hi. Ma'am, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hi everyone, myself Inu. I am here in DCIPS since last 3 years. I am teaching marketing subjects and I'm associated with placement and training cell and as well as VG cell. So one thing has come in my mind always in being a teacher is that the teacher is a mentor and encourager, inspirational and motivator.
Can I ask you one question?
Yes, Shiva.
If you could give one piece of advice to all your students, what would it be?
One piece of advice for students that they should be the loyal person in their life. That loyalty is one thing that will be stay with them for their life. So be loyal, be confident, and stay focused. So that is the one thing I would say that they should be focused on. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, would you like to tell us about yourself?
Okay, sure. My name is Tanushree. Most of the students would have seen me. I've been associated with BCIPS for more than a decade now. And I teach HR and HR related specializations and also certain general management subjects. For example, you'll see me teaching business communication. Right? So these are the subjects.
Ma'am, would you like to give one piece of advice to all the students out there?
Yeah, why not? In fact, I would give two. The first is always be yourself. Okay. I would simply say, beta, never compare yourself with others because everybody has a different journey. And when you just be yourself and do your best with whatever you resources that you've got, you will always shine and make a mark for yourself. And second thing, which is related to that, do your best, give your best, even when no one is watching. Because that is how you chase excellence. You always don't need 100 cameras to give your best. Whatever you do, compete with yourself and come out as a bit.
That's it, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now we have with us Mrs. Neha, ma'am. So, ma'am, would you like to tell us from how much time you have been associated with the college?
Okay, I have been associated with this institute for 14 years, and my area of specialization is information technology.
Ma'am, now would you like to give one piece of advice to all the students out there?
Yeah, sure. Make the most of your college years, study hard, and don't forget to enjoy your life because this is the golden period of your life. So, cherish the journey and work hard, keep it balanced.
That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you so much. Okay, so now we have with us Mrs. Pooja, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to tell us from how much time you have been associated with the college?
Okay, I'm associated with BCIPS from last 13 years and I have my specialization in IT, so IT faculty. What else do you want?
Would you like to give one piece of advice to all the students out there?
Sure. I want to suggest to the students is be passionate in whatever you do Follow your passion and your dreams or success will automatically follow that.
That's so true. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Hello, Beta.
Sir, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers and let us know how much time you have associated with the college?
So this side Amit Yadav, Assistant Professor in the Nasira Shandiwala Institute of Professional Study, and I am associated with this college from last 2 years. So my specialization are finance and accounting, and currently I am teaching BBA first year and MBA first year and BBA second year, finance and accounting subjects.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we would like to know what inspired you to choose teaching as a career.
Teaching as a career, because I think teaching is not just about giving the knowledge. It is the process that give you that tell the student how the what is the right path for their better future and for their career in life.
Thank you so much, sir. Now let's move to our next teacher. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, Pinsha. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers? Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Imani Chaudhary, and I am currently teaching business mathematics and operation research to BBA and MBA students. And I have been associated with this college from since last 2 years. Thank you, ma'am. And we would like to know what one piece of advice would you like to give to the students of BCIP? Sure. The advice is for the students, believe in yourself, stay positive, and keep love. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hello,
Sir, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
I'm Tushar. I am a professor in this college for the last 1 year, and I teach subjects in the area of marketing and strategy. My designation is Professor of Practice.
Okay, so can I ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
Which is tougher, teaching or grading?
I think grading is tougher than teaching. Teaching is a one-way process where I can just impart whatever I feel is right. Whereas grading is a question on my teaching ability as well. So it's not only you who's being evaluated, it's me who's evaluating myself as well. So grading becomes a tougher choice.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Shita.
Could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
I'm Karishma and I'm an assistant professor at Nasira Shandiwala Institute of Professional Studies.
And ma'am, how many years have you been associated with this college?
With this college, it's been only 6 months as of now, but I'm already loving the experience that I'm having here with all the students and all the faculty here.
Okay, ma'am. Can I ask you one question?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Okay. How do you feel when students remember and come back years after?
See, this is one thing that I absolutely love about the teaching profession. It's been almost 10 years that I'm working as a teacher or as a professor, and I am still in contact with my students of my first batch. And till date उनकी लाइफ में कोई भी अचीवमेंट होता है, उनकी लाइफ में कोई भी हैप्पीनेस होती है, वो मुझे याद करते हैं. They tell me that this is happening in their life or this is what they have achieved in life. और कहीं ना कहीं वो मुझे भी थोड़ा क्रेडिट देते हैं कि मैम दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टॉट इन लाइफ. सो आई थिंक दिस इज माय मोस्ट चेरिश्ड feeling about being a teacher, and this is something that keeps me going. This is something that motivates me to give my best to all my future generation.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. My name is Shifali Sethi, and I'm assistant professor here at BCNPS. I'm also a qualified company secretary and soon to be a doctor.
Okay, ma'am. How long have you been associated with this college?
I've been associated with this college for almost 5 years now.
Okay. Ma'am, can I ask you one question?
Sure.
What keeps you motivated to teach every day?
What keeps me motivated are the children. I find very joyous to be around children. I think being around the youth makes you more younger, and given the opportunity to impart knowledge to them, that keeps me motivated. The students and the youth.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Oh, hello. Ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers? Yeah, hi. I'm Sarika Walia, and I've been associated with this college for 2 years. I'm basically finance faculty, and this year I'm teaching MBA students legal aspects of business and BBA students. I am teaching other finance subjects. And what else? Ma'am, would you like to tell why you choose teaching as your career? Because, in my opinion, teaching is a two-way process.
when I'm guiding students, I'm also learning from them, learning new perspectives, learning new ideas, learning patience, creativity, resilience.
That's so true, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to give one piece of advice to all the students out there?
Yeah, sure. See, in my opinion, don't hesitate from trying new things. Explore new ideas, experiment new things, take risks in your life. Because क्यों डरे जिंदगी में क्या होगा कुछ ना होगा तो तजुर्बा हो.
That's so true, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
So now we have with us Mrs. Anit Kaur, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to tell for how many years you have been associated with the college?
I have been associated with BCIPS from the last 2 years, and I specialize in teaching subjects in the domain of finance, like financial management, GST, financial markets, and institutions.
That's so great, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to give one piece of advice to all the students out there?
Yes, I would love to give one advice to my students, and that is that don't chase for perfection, chase for progress. Perfection is often an illusion, and whereas progress is often real.
Very well said, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes. Hello, friends. I'm Shruti. I have done BCom and from Delhi University, and then I did MBA. Currently, I'm pursuing PhD from Gautam Buddha University. Students, I have 12 years of work experience. I'm associated with this college from the last 3 years. It's a very good place, students. It's a really a good place to learn.
Ma'am, can I ask you one question?
Yes.
Okay. Which is tougher, teaching or grading?
Okay, teaching or grading. So, in my view, grading is more tougher because every student has a potential, and grades can't define that potential. So, in my view, grading is more difficult. Teaching, you can teach students. In fact, you learn from them, they learn from you. It's a process. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Hi. Ma'am, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello all, my name is Shivalini. I'm associated with BCIPS for roughly 2 years now. I teach finance and economics here.
Ma'am, can I ask you one question?
Sure.
Okay. What's the one thing you wish students understood better about the teachers?
I think it is good if students understand that teachers were students once. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, sure. Myself, Pratibha Arora. I have been working as an assistant professor at BCIPS. Before BCIPS, I have over 9 years of corporate experience, around 3 years of academic experience. Currently, I'm pursuing PhD in marketing and advertising, whereby I have having mixed experience. So that brings me, my corporate experience adds up to my academic knowledge as well. I'm here to help you. If you have any kind of problem, you need any kind of suggestion, you can find me at third floor, BCIPS, A block. Thank you.
That's great, ma'am. Ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Great.
Ma'am, what's the one thing you wish student understood better about teachers?
That's a nice one. I really wish you students could understand that we as teachers, maybe we are having our own experience. That experience adds up to knowledge of what and we how we teach. So if you say कि टीचर अगर खड़ी हो रही है पढ़ा रही है इसमें कुछ खास नहीं है एक दिन पहले एग्जाम से गूगल करेंगे और सब आ जाएगा आई नो गूगल पे आपको बहुत चीजें मिलेंगी एडवांस इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिल सकती है जो शायद मेरी नॉलेज में भी ना हो बट जो टीचर्स की नॉलेज है जो हमारा एक्सपीरियंस हमारे प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर से आया है ये वो आपको गूगल पे नहीं मिलेगा और जो क्लास में डिस्कस हो रहा है अगर वो एग्जाम में आ गया वो गूगल देवता भी नहीं बता पाएगा कि कहाँ से आया तो बेहतर होगा क्लासेस आओ टीचर्स के साथ इंटरेक्शंस को एंजॉय करो क्योंकि ये मोमेंट्स गूगल देवता कभी रिलेट नहीं कर पाएगा थैंक
That's
यू
it, ma'am. Thank you so much.
टेक केयर डियर
Hello, ma'am. Hi. Ma'am, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes, sure. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Niharika this side, and I am serving as an assistant professor here at DCIPS Dwarka.
Okay. Ma'am, can I ask you one question?
Yes, please.
Okay. What inspired you to choose teaching as a career?
Okay. See, according to me, teaching is, not just a job. It's a calling. It's a 24/7 duty and responsibility that I have taken over. Moreover, why I choose this profession is I believe that education has a has a meaningful impact on the lives of students and society. And if something can be changed, it can be changed through education. That is why. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. All the best.